Hi, I'm Linda Felipez. I'm the department chair here in the Department of Technology at Walla Walla University. We really miss you being here. So in the Department of Technology, we have graphic design and product design.
My name is Carly Smedley and I'm in the graphic design program.
Hi guys, my name is Logan Seibold. I'm a junior product design major here at Walla Walla University.
I'm David Albo. I am a junior in the product design program.
In graphic design, we have an industry-proof lab. As you can see behind me, all of these are Macintosh computers, and they're loaded with industry software, which is, of course, the Adobe Creative Suite.
That includes Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop.
The students pretty much live in here during the year because they're so involved in the design projects that they do that they just want to spend more and more time.
So this room gets used quite a bit by a couple different majors because it's an awesome place to study, it's an awesome place to work. People are always bouncing off ideas and just sharing, so it feels very much like a real studio.
Graphic design in the Department of Technology at Walla Walla University is unique in that we have a very close relationship with the community members. We do a lot of hands-on experiences in the design realm using real clients from real nonprofit organizations throughout our community. And what that does for the student, it not only gives them an experience with a real client, but they also get awesome portfolio materials. This puts them ahead of the market as far as their professionalism when they go out to find their first job.
This quarter I got to take graphics services, which is a class where you basically work like you're in a design firm, so you assign an art director, a creative director, and illustrators and that kind of thing, and you get to work with an actual client within Walla Walla to rebrand them. So this year we got to work with the Exchange Club and give them a whole new identity and new deliverables and logos and work on their website, which was really fun and good for your portfolio and really good to give you real world experience.
All of our teachers have industry experience. We have full-time faculty members in each area, and we also bring in contract teachers or adjunct faculty in all the areas to supplement the classes. And that brings a great different perspective from a lot of different people.
My favorite part would probably be the free reign that they give you for the projects. So almost every class I've had a project where they let you do whatever you want with it. So I've gotten to do cool things like build 3D shadow boxes or create a loose leaf tea recipe book that has like a laser cut cover. Just whatever came into my head, they get excited when you have your own idea and want to run with it. And that's been a really cool thing about being in this program.
And in product design, we're all about making things, basically. This degree is about building things with your hands, designing things in CAD, in the computer, and even some graphic design as well. It's kind of a blend of art and craftsmanship, and it's just a really fun time if you like making things with your hands and getting hands-on with projects.
Hi, my name is Jeffrey Humbert. I'm an instructor here at Walla Walla University. We're in the computer-aided design room. In this room, we teach a class called Materials and Processes. Class was focused on soft goods.
I just took soft goods and materials, and in that we learned how to sew different kinds of fabrics, fabric patterns, materials.
When we think of product design, soft goods is in everything from clothes to shoes to backpacks, tents. So they designed these tents using Rhino. And Rhino has a feature in it that allows you to design a three-dimensional object and then actually unroll it. And they unroll it, they're actually able to print it out, and then they take those prints and they can actually do prototypes. The minute they get it in their hands, they can really see how to use it, how it functions, and that changes their design thinking process. Another class that we teach is called Space Planning. You'll see the model homes we have up there. The students design tiny homes. That's designed in SketchUp software. And so we talk about space utilization. Students actually not only design the tiny home, but they design the furniture that goes inside. Some of the furniture is 3D printed. They're also, again, able to take those models, lay out the design, and actually laser cut out their tiny homes and put them together.
So something that I made last quarter that I really enjoyed was a chair. It's called Leonidas. I have a drawing of it up here. This chair we actually made full scale I cut it out of a single sheet of plywood downstairs on a CNC machine, which is basically a machine that will cut any shape that you tell the computer to cut for you. So we cut the pieces and we made it into a full-size chair.
We really emphasize the user and the user experience. In that process, we want students to really emphasize with the users, and through that process they can identify their needs, define what the needs are, and then they start to work on their ideation, actually creating and designing stuff based on the user's need and also what they want the product aesthetically to look like. So what you see here is a lot of prototyping. It's really important to have our students go through that process. Through that process, they have a lot of discovery, what works and what doesn't work, a lot of great discussions. Then they test their prototypes, and a lot of this is done in a collaborative environment.
So the space we're in right now is called the Studio, and this is in the Canada Technology Center. In this building we have a wood shop, welding shop, metal shop, there's a full auto shop that the auto majors use. So there's a lot of different resources here that we have access to make our projects. And this room in particular is where each of us have our own space. So these desks are mine right here, and so I have this whole area just to sit down and maybe I have to sketch something before I put it in CAD. Maybe I'm making a model here on my desk. We do desk critiques with the professors, so they'll come around and see what we're working on and kind of guide us through that process. So this area is dedicated to every person having their own work zone, their own space to work on their projects and do things like that. If you enjoy making projects, designing things, hands-on challenges and skills, definitely check out product design.
It offers so much that you're not confined to just one path, one direction. You can really do virtually anything in this program.
You're going to get a lot of one-on-one experience with each of your faculty members. The professors know exactly what you need and when you need it, and they're available for you. I hope you come and join us.